Yes, dear Anna, I welcome you to lesson 8 once again. My name is Dr. Joel TOK. Before we proceed, let's make corrections of the previous lesson. The first one was, in fact, Grace asked the question, why was he arrested? Then when you come down to the words of Grace, Grace said, what made himself pork to Muslim? It means Hannah said he was arrested a fortnight ago because he sold pork to Muslims. After saying that, Grace asked Hannah, what made him sell pork to Muslims? When you come down to the words of Grace, Grace said, beef wasn't there, instead it was given pork from the abattoir. So it means, Hannah said, meat wasn't there, instead it was given meat from the abattoir. Yes, down there, Grace said, yes, I will pray that is released soon so that your registration fee is paid before the deadline. It means Hannah said, may you pray for me that is released so that my registration fee is paid before the deadline. Coming to this lesson, we are starting a new subtopic, still under the topic examinations, but the subtopic B, remember the first subtopic was preparation for examinations. Now in this subtopic B, we are looking at sitting examinations. Sitting examinations. Before we proceed, we first have to look at the vocabulary or the new words. As I told you, we're not saying that these words are new to us, but they're new to the subtopic. Yes. The first new word we're looking at is the word invigilator. Look at the spelling. Invigilator. Who is an invigilator? A person who supervises. Is a person who supervises candidates during examination. Person who supervises candidates during examination. Other related words, we have other related words. We have the word invigilate, invigilates, invigilated, and invigilators. One we say invigilator, when the many, it is invigilators. The word invigilator comes from the verb invigilate. The next word we're looking at is the word aggregate. The spelling is here. It means the sum total in any examination. The sum total in any examination. When you add what you have scored in all the four subjects, it will give you the aggregate. Yes, we have aggregate 4 up to 36. When it is one, we say aggregate. When there are many aggregates. Malpractice. An act of misconduct during examinations. An act of misconduct during examinations. For example, you are not allowed to shout in the examination room. The moment you do that, it is called examination malpractice. When you prolong your legs to get answers from your friends, that's also malpractice. The next word you're looking at is the word certificate. Certificate. What does the word certificate mean? It means an official document that gives details in achievement in education. Official document that gives details in achievement in education. The short form of the word certificate is CERT with a full stop. They can also ask you to say to write the full form of the word CERT. So therefore the certificate. Or else they'll say write the short form of the word certificate. It is short. When it is one, you say certificate. When you are many, you say certificates. The next word you're looking at is the word disqualified. Disqualified. It means to stop a candidate from taking exams. To stop a candidate from taking exams. There are very many things that can cause disqualification of one. There are very many, one cheating, examination malpractice, and so on. Other related words you have disqualified. The word disqualified is a verb. As you all know, verbs have what you call tenses. We have the present, past, and so on. So, the past simple tense and the past participle of the verb disqualified is disqualified. The present simple tense disqualifies, and the noun form from this verb is disqualification. The spelling is here. The next word you're looking at is the word leakage. Leakage. The spelling is here. What does the word leakage mean? It means disclosing or giving the examination questions. Giving examination questions to runners before the official time. For example, if you are to do your exams tomorrow and I come with the questions, I present them to you, that these questions have come before the official time, that's what we call leakage. Under related words, we have the word leak. We have leak. We also have another word that is pronounced just like this. We also have this word leak. These two words, they sound the same. When you pronounce them, they have the same pronunciation but different spellings and meanings. These are what we call homophones. They sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Examiners can ask you, they'll say, construct correct sentences using the given words below so that you understand the difference in their meanings. They'll give you these two words. First of all, this one, this leak with I-C-K means to stop your tongue to do something. Then this one means the passage of water through anything. That's what we call leak. So when they bring for you this, you don't need to explain. To give the meaning of the words, you simply use them in a sentence. For example, I can say, our roof leaks. Our roof leaks whenever it rains. The boy is leaking. The boy is leaking the plate. Yes? The next one you're looking at is the word division. When you talk of division examination, we refer to the grade. We refer to the grade. As you know, we have 4 divisions, or 4 grades. First grade, second grade, third grade, and then fourth grade. The short form of the word division is div. D-I-V. Full stop. Now the next one you're looking at is the word cheat. 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 What does it mean? To act dishonestly in an examination. To act dishonestly in an examination. Or we can say it means to break the rules in order to achieve a certain thing. The next word you're looking at is the word supervisor. Supervisor. It is with the letter O, not E. Supervisor. A supervisor is a person who is in charge of overseeing activities in an examination center, that the examination is done according to the set rules. When it is one, we say supervisor, and when they're many, we call them supervisors. One is supervisor, many supervisors. And the word supervisor comes from the verb supervise. They can ask this question completely using the correct form of the word given in the brackets. She is a das. She is a unit, das. The word in the bracket will be supervisor. So that means your answer will be supervisor. Take note of the spelling. Yes? And this is the last word we're looking at under vocabulary. We also have some opposites related to examinations. Opposites related to examinations. The first one we have is in succeed. Succeed. See the spelling? S-U-C-C-E-E-D. What is the opposite of what succeed? It is in fail. What about success? S-U-C-C-E-S-S. What is the opposite of what success? It is in failure. Successful. Unsuccessful. Question. Answer. Easy. Difficult. Entrance. Exit. Late. Early. We have looked at the new words in this subtopic. I therefore have this question for you. Construct 5 correct sentences using any of the 5 words here. I thank you so much for having watched this video. Let's meet again in the next lesson.